Good afternoon, everyone. Eric from Advantage Remarketing here on a beautiful Tuesday in Pasadena, Maryland. Standing in front of a 2022 LA West 3500 170 not extended, excuse me, I can't speak. 15 passenger, 13 rear, plus driver and co-pilot. Does have dualies in the rear, but it's not extended. Body's in very good shape. Does have rear luggage. This is a manual slider. Tires, brakes, rotors, all over 70%. Again, 13 rear, plus driver and co-pilot. Seat covers are in very good shape. Does have overhead parcel racks with ducted AC and heat, like all of our LA West product. Independent reading lights and USB ports at every seat. Good looking van. If you're interested, give me a call. 866-675-2271 extension 500. Hope you're having a great day.